Hey there guys, how's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the scrub buddies. Yeah. Now, scrub buddies it's used to wash your dishes, wash your countertops, wash your tables, or anything that you pretty much need clean. You could use scrub buddies for, but mostly what I use them for is for dishes and pots and pans. Things like that, everyday household cooking and eating utensils and things like that. And yeah, they work very well. What it is a special kind of sponge on here that absorbs water and soap and everything very well, and it kind of holds it in until you need it. Meaning, it's not going to, like most sponges, you just dip into water and you pull it out and a lot of the, liquid and everything just falls right out. This one, you will hold it underneath the water or in the sink or whatever. You will, it absorbs the water really, really fast and really, really well and holds it in there. Soapy water, just like that. So when you put it inside, say, or you scrub your plate or pot or pan or anything, it gets all the moisture, the soapy water onto the pot and the pan very well. And the thing is, it's very, very easy to wash with these, and it's very easy to clean. Okay, well, I have a pack of 6 here, and I always keep a few packs around in case I need them. The back side here, it's like a double-edged sword. You can attack both ways. You have a scouring type of pad on one side, which gets in there and scrubs those really hard, tough, not wanting to come out, dried food and stuff like that on your pot or your pan. It really gets in there, so you can go to town. And it has these special handles. These engravings on both sides here. You can see. Now this is for extra grip. So you can, if this was just a square, you could use it that way too. But because it has this extra grip on there, your hands fit right in there like that. So you can really hold it well and just scrub it. It's a really, really comfortable fit. I really love how that fits right in your hand like that. The molding of it makes it really comfortable, and because it's that comfortable, it makes it easy to scrub. It makes it really, really easy to scrub. So even if you have to use like a little elbow grease, just pushing through with like all your strength, this will make it so you can hold it well and get everything done that you need to get done, holding it this way. It's a really good idea to make those engravings on the side. Yeah, I really like the roughness of this part. This part is really, really good. This is a new pack that I got because my old pack, what I used it for, it kind of just pretty much made it so I couldn't use it again. I had an engine that I was trying to clean up, and it was just completely covered with grease and grime and just debris and rust and everything. I used a entire 6-pack on that project. Ruined them. I could never use them for anything again after that, unless I wanted to work on another engine. No, it worked very well, but it was kind of a dead end for using it again. It did its job though. So I had to go get another one. So another pack of 6. And I'm glad I did. These work really well. And the sponge on this side is really soft and squishy, It's almost like touching memory foam. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Not the regular type sponge. It really, really likes to form fit onto what's holding it. Yeah, the way you grab it, it's just comfortable in your hand. I like it a lot. Yeah, it's very, very useful. And I've been using these for probably around 8 to 9 months, and it's done the job for me very well. All right, well, today we were talking about the Scrub Buddies, and I hope you use this information, and I'll talk to you again next time. All right, bye-bye.